aba na enyamfa so pi era ya tena se ya do befa Ghana ni ntwo ni ntwa so ensama hodo a ekoso bara pa me ka cho se ade bia opese wutimi ye no ewo mu ade bia da opese wutimi ye no sa ade kro no ewo mu. The moment the mind can process it, the system in your body you need pa kwado etimi eka chew work mane ba wadwim na wadwin so descend information back to onsa ofu onan oba bia say wait and person it tells you that the chrono is achievable. Aropa bibia da opese wo yodo ewo umu na umu na wane kire say e doable e kire say sa ade no timi ya amane ye e aropa be ka cho say ade bia ebe process in your mind no ebe ba wadwibu no no kwase be won pa ne sa ade chrono betima ya amana ye. Enti obi wodma yaso manfa say yansusu ni da. Yes, because the demeanor and then the physical appearance of the person no and just any pan betima ye. But the moment to process it what I dream no I communicate to the body ni nyina. Tino to bia yesi abufo timi say ade. If the body fune process na wa adwene catch or say yes ya sa ade no ya be. Do obi won ma hwe ne pa akwa we de era ro kwache se kan kra de ko wo bi e woni mu na bufo ban na adwea process e de ama na kwa de nyina na kuma ne de ba bia ti moja ne pompeta tetembo wan se wakoye e de obia or ni story o de bi catch us say mi so ada mi hu say da me se me pese me duru ho. The moment is within your system and your mind and you process it. Sa de chrono eya eyeye oya ebeyeye. Jeri pa bebre. Osimi de na miso nyina na mu se sa de we meye pa. Obo so gina ba bi o se na se me kra no. Minima aduane ya pa o. Enti ara na me hya ase mpa ba bi na me nu aduane kakra. Ope good location. On says area aduane nkofo entanya aduane because of the nature of their work. Or the bibia beso why the fine. Phobos or hot ma wakwaji one room where be a small restaurant. Afe no or so diane ko actually. So baby akese. Now ko two rooms. Now afe wa peplo to baby. Now afe obe wan say was setting up the business well. Eni pa bia o process sa nyoma no e woni mu na wo ye na adwen so obeye no sa de na yeye ade bia wo pese wo hwo no e wo mu etina no pa ide na soso da ye wo mu sa de kro no wadwen hu ye sa wo ya ebeye yi ade bia ba wadwen no mu no o pese o ye no that is the actual thing you have to do. The moment your mind processes those things, then you can give birth to those things. Eti computer bronine ya. Simi ye robotics. Wa programming no. Bienti o programming se nyame aye nipa ya kwa no se. Ya wo ba bia processing nyoma. Eti processing nyoma na ba bontia. Ho de nya end resource. Eti bronine ye robotics no. Wa programming no ewo baby say aha me the board ni sha my programming say yes. Anything that is within you has been programmed, and once it has been programmed it can be delivered. Tiaropay the make catch all they say and toto ho asekra and toto ho jeje mu na nyame aya wo soronko to the extent say you have program line up in you can deliver it. Entina esoso adaye me no be o se aduane o da o so da hu se yi kire no That is how God has programmed everyone. Opia wone kwanya of us so in programming. O de bia enye daye but wo ho a na eyi adi kire wo. Obo kra de su ne ban ne yama oye. Obetimi hu no kwa we de ka doctor pa o. Meaning obi a on enyan so wa address normal ko ba bi okoto mo. No more we catch say o ya doctor ni ana. Amo keke no koto. It tells you say yensu ni aban ne ma ewuwo ye mu no. Eden edi we have been programmed to that level. Obetimi wo bi already ask o dia sofo. Obi wo bi o say o dia malamu. We have been programmed in a certain way. Sa dia nyame de ma ye se me wa asase so ewo ye mu. So whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve is in you. Ewo mu. Ati nipa bi ehu de wo mu na duru ba bi afa mu nse nyame bia ni ho wa ankasa wo ye nyame because you have been programmed. Enti nipa no eye bibia na eye because oso da ye eba no so esisi nso na oye na eye ya na adwen nse oye nyame oye mini God in his own way oye nyame in his own way. But nyame boy yense ni suban ne nse so. Enti every individual has a form of a programmed nature nyakopon di adua ni mu. Ti saa de na eso so da ye no. Saa de na wa na ba wa adwem no. Saa de pa na ba wo so no. Saa de no sha ase se odwe ho se obeputi in place. You put it in action. Start thinking about those things. Na saa niama na ama Mazubek mo ene woro keka ho no. Elo max mu nyina abeye ye. But the blacks mostly eya de nyame de amayen uniquely no. They are go pon de ache no. Aya hweso ye. Everybody want to copy others. It is say adwuma business a Orwa kasa de kasa che new tuition na kasa che enema ayadua omu na kasa che on apply, then you start applying another person's vision. Obeya mana ye bet said yenke wo senka wodi ye wa ade bim no entimi meyesa because you are stealing from someone's vision. Eja wo vision nya ne soso adaye. Anopa ye wa Yakopon ma yente ase. Ye wa Yakopon ma yen hurumu. Anopa ono na asomdwe bra asomdwe nyina so. Anopa sa asomdwe no fa man. We say by the peace of our Lord, which surpasses all understanding, be with us this morning. I can't be 2 days on. We say assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Anopa you uguso ye fasting na. Finish hard. And ma bembu bi amba. 3 days na be meka so be yashim. The edru no ye nyina. Na bompa ye pa ma o my God ne bobi ma ho. O man di yada udi. Ne bobi ma ho. Ai asumje bo man mu affect ye nyina. Anopa ye wo Yakopon shine. Na o ma de nyina enimwan na enye ye. So kokko sam no ada so guso. Na edom kuma no. Ghana is interesting. No? Akoko fofom koko growing areas, no communities, no muko be villages and towns near the adiom koko. Eko didi kobo. Na koko fo no so bi e de o displeasure to dwa. Ma me ba kokra de o se aban nim no koto play na. Odo a be ko airport akotwere fo se abon. Koko fo de abere. They are looking for improvement. Sir Alice Omusika dan kakra beti baba beka ho ediamu. Alopay yebeni unkomo. And also wo how ne sen. Yatena se yebeba region by region, but I have a surprise for you. Na ye ka FDA for ho asem. And there be out to ya. FDA boss in Ashanti region bebefia. Na ye no know Eddie komo. Alopay maybe your phones na ma mo ankasa mabusa na sem mo bezi mubusa. Jobani who the mandate and Jubedia Omudini wia Yebema Quine na most so mababuza questions. Na Yanyanti say Ashanti region, Ashanti South region for no posi for nse ni oma ti show mu no in fact ya chi nipa miensa is believed said kusasi ehene na awase na nipa bonfo kodi na wu no ya se omu ya associated with that arapa here ba ye bedi ho enkomo enso na ye how ni say de ye be rera areas na me se ma no kura bi so ombebo adeje o se president kofa plane ba there is a lot that is happening awo koko ho anopa ye be bie FDA for ba betena se ye ne FDA for nso ebedi nkomo na FDA for de ekoso mo ntene nsama hodo a mo wa mo pese mo busa no anopa ye ama mo ho kwan fu ebodo nso ashutu anopa ye ewosoro said ye nura na bene kwa America no asaba aba ewosoro ti mo kwa goto anu ahwe so nso ene kanea ewofom so at certain percentage na no me yedi unkomo any beautiful edi unkomo na amanfo busa so mu topa mu hu but it's starting on 1st of April ana eshas ye enso soldier for the character ba say aye first batch enso mu be ko training no o ma communicate to mu timo prospectus ni ade nyina by 18th there also munsaka na de also mutoto ni nyina na afei moye ready say mu ko training enti o kan first batch no Ghana Armed Forces no now so why alert pa say be ya enoma betimi akọ fine at the amount sport for better na say Mbapa and Orlando o come around at exactly 7 now also the sports no abre rather matches ni bi course pa na also details ni na omo at the ebebrain na FA Cup no so ekoso am say weekend yin so ebi be kokoso ni ade a eno so ho na all the major leagues no Orlando ne Mbapa atena no pair omo at the sports no enyina eba ba na ya ba koma ho nyina ya de bema Emil Smith area no pay good morning so answer that Derek Aite I'm watching you live from Koforidia Kurakan in the eastern region for na Elmama Chain and about region by region na ya bedin komo edu region and ya din komo edu region ya de komo zede okwada bia ye no FDA4 so FDA4 ba ya bedin komo so then yoma to bia chiche wadwen panyin ba hope say na de bibia bento yi amana betena se yes I de na ze any there's a lot that some so offer good board ba and also ye be what is going on we have all that for your friend another Kwame Osun Nkwantabisa amanfo Nkwantabisa nie and as a beautiful morning out of me yimpa ya mount anyone under the sound of my voice me yimpa ya mount say osoro enti na nim kyerɛw and you koi osoro enkasa ho osoro emaniama entotoye emawo me kwa aba sports for we are ye ni nkomo